In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the basics of how to use OpenAI's API in Unreal Engine. Let's get started. Clicking the link in the description below will take you to the plugin's GitHub repository. Here you will find a link to download the packaged binaries. Select the folder with your engine version, right-click, and use the drop-down menu to download. Your browser may notify you that the file is not commonly downloaded. We can continue the download by clicking Keep. Once the plugin is downloaded, we'll want to extract and move it to our project's plugins folder. Since I'm using a fresh 4.26 project, I'll need to manually create a plugins folder first. Once that's done, we can safely move the plugin into our project. Now that our plugin has been moved, we can go ahead and open the project. Before we continue, I'm first confirming that our plugin was properly installed. If the plugin is installed and enabled, you're ready to go. As an example, I'll set up a simple blueprint that calls GPT-3 for us. We'll start off by giving ourselves a call GPT-3 node. Let's then place a node to set our API key. If you drag off of this settings pin, we can lay down a Make GPT-3 settings node for setting our request parameters. Next, we'll want to copy our API key from our account page on OpenAI's website. Paste this directly into the Set OpenAI API Key node. For this example, I'll be using the prompt and parameters from OpenAI's chat preset. In this case, they used the stop sequence, human, and a temperature of 0.9. After that, we can select our engine and ask whatever we want in the prompt. For now, I'm using the DaVinci engine and asking the question, what is OpenAI? I'm setting the best of parameter to 4. This means for every completion, the model will generate 4 examples and only return the one with the lowest log probability per token. For more information about how to use each parameter, please check out the documentation link in the description. After this, we can drag off the completions pin and create a for each loop to iterate through them. Here I'm adding a conditional branch and using the success pin as the condition. By printing the error message when the API request fails, we can save ourselves a lot of time debugging. Next, I'll drag off and break the completion pin to access the generated text. In order to have more time to read the debug text, I'm changing the duration to 20 seconds. Now we can drag an instance of our blueprint into the level, and click Simulate to test it out. The generated text says, OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research company dedicated to advancing digital intelligence in the way that is most likely to benefit humanity as a whole, unconstrained by a need to generate financial return. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions.